हमें रिजल्ट से पहले हमें भी नहीं पता होता, you know, that if you're going to be in the list or not. But I think following that process is very important. And I think that message coming from you कि नहीं mental health भी important है, plan B भी important है, I think it's very very important.
बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो छोड़ देते हैं, लेकिन you continued, kind of you.
I think we'll talk more about your resilience and the way you've put in effort. So this was your 5th attempt.
Yes, sir.
So the world knows about your success now, and the world is going to talk about your success now.
Yes, sir.
Tell me a little bit about your resilience and the effort that this has taken.
Okay, so this was my 5th attempt in which I have secured All India Rank 1. But before that, they have seen multiple failures because in the first 3 attempts, I could not clear the prelims itself. So prelims was initially a very big hurdle for me. Later on, I incorporated certain changes in my preparation with help of which I could get through prelims in 2023, in 2024 both. Last year, I did reach till the interview, but I think luck was not with me last year, so I missed the cutoff by 12 marks. But by God's grace, this year, here I am again back with you, because I remember last year when we had a conversation after the results, when I couldn't clear it. And when you asked me, give us 5 months more, just hold on your grit, go full on, dive in with into the preparation, and that's what I did.
So I remember last year जब हम ये बात कर रहे थे, you were saying that I'm looking for a plan B,
yes,
and I don't want to give the attempt.
Yes,
I'm glad you did, and you know you stuck. I'm sure you're glad too.
Yeah, thank
But
God.
How was that feeling at that time? आपने 3 बार prelims दे दिया है.
Yeah.
You've finally cleared prelims. Then you now are giving the mains. You've cleared the mains. You've given the interview, and just 12 number से cut off रहा है. How did you convince yourself in that moment? कि नहीं यार, let me just put in that 1 more year of effort, and it created such a fantastic result.
I think we had a conversation over call, because after that you were connecting with students and discussing their mark sheets, and that was when I think GS was good. Last year I basically faltered in my optional, that was PSIR. It scored really bad in that, and I think thoda bahut in essay also went. That's what it gave me basically a thought that I need to work a lot on my optional, and that's why I was planning to skip the attempt and was looking for plan B. See, after first or second attempt, maybe we can still hold on to the confidence. But अगर तीसरे चौथे attempt में जाके we are unable to clear the last stage, then we actually start doubting ourselves. We start doubting like maybe मुझसे कभी होगा भी या नहीं होगा. Should I just stick to it, or now should I go for something else? So all of that was there in my mind when you saw my mark sheet. You said कि नहीं ठीक है, we have to work बहुत थोड़ा सा ही. Just hold on, work hard on that, and I think that's what I did. उसके बाद I wanted to look for jobs, and that's why I connected with many institutes, because that's what I knew for it. And after that I started working with one of them.
You know, I think it's a big thing that you are, even after at this stage, you know, achieving, I think, the probably something that's equivalent to an Olympic medal after that, what you've achieved. But you're admitting that plan B was in your mind and you still went for it. तो हमें रिजल्ट से पहले हमें भी नहीं पता होता, you know, that if you're going to be in the list or not. But I think following that process is very important, and I think that message coming from you कि नहीं mental health भी important है, plan B भी important है, I think it's very very important.
Let me talk about that clearly. Last year it was like, since it was my 4th attempt, and I cleared prelims, एक बार में I cleared mains, I went till interview. Then in that time you start building a fantasy for yourself where you have already cleared the exam, you are somewhere in the list, but all of that did not materialize. उसके बाद you see your loved ones, like my parents, my siblings, who were like looking at me with so much hope, and definitely that was not a negative pressure, but वो एक mental health पे impact जरूर करता है, because then you start like questioning your worth. You start thinking maybe I did something wrong, कहीं मेरी गलती रही होगी. But we do need to admit first thing that there is nothing to be ashamed of being depressed. There is nothing to be, ashamed of being anxious, because everybody, all of us go through this. Some of us might admit, some of us might not. But the thing that I understood last year was, it's okay. Thoda sa time lo, just cry out, cry your heart out, just try understanding what were your mistakes, admit that, get up and again start working on those things. Uske alawa plan B is something that gives you mental aisa thoda strength milta hai, because you have a financial option to fall back upon. Right. So I think having a plan B, being open to these mental health wale issues, accepting them, giving yourself some time to just sink in with it is something that is required, specifically in these kind of exams, jo ki year-long process hai. You don't have a single stage to clear. You can falter it on any one of them, and again you are at stage 1.
And I think considering how competitive the process is,
yes,
अगर आपके पास ये थोड़ी सी भी mental security है at the back of your head, you know, that I'm sorted financially or otherwise, it helps you even perform better.
Yes, totally. I'll just agree with it, because last year when I appeared for like interview, I was eligible for some of the institutes to work in. And I think that was one thing I knew, ki ab chalo, stop looking at UPSC like everything that I have in life. Start looking at other options as well. In the end, it's about serving. In the end, it's about financial security. And both of it I can get from any job if I honestly want to do that. So ye thoda rakha maine back of mind mein, and that maybe gave me that resilience to fight back. वो किया, and by God's grace, I would definitely say that by God's grace, I could clear the prelims, because I know some of you who are more like hardworking than me, who might have put in more hours, but you're still not in the list. But that is nothing that basically questions your worth. We need to see is it just like one exam.
So, Shakti, although I am extremely proud of you for being my student, I think I'm more proud of you for saying this right now.
Yes.
You being in this position at rank 1 and saying this, I think this carries a huge impact. And if people can take away from this message and learn, I think it'll benefit all of us.
Yes, right? I also realize if last year somebody would have said this to me, that God has bigger plans for you, I would have never admitted to it. I would have like literally laughed off or got irritated. But today, standing here, I can say कि कभी-कभी जो होता है, that happens for something or the other. See, nobody will be left idle in life. You will be doing some or the other thing. Just have confidence in yourself, thoda sa faith, thoda sa hope, and a lot of hard work if you want to stay in UPSC. Otherwise, come on, move out. Let's look for other options. There are so many that we can work upon.
Right. I'm so glad you said that, and I think that message is also important.
Thank you, sir.
We'll now let's come to academics a little bit now.
Yes, sir.
So I'll start one by one. So we'll start with Write Smart first, where we were, let's say, doing previous year questions and writing them on approaches. So firstly, what was your experience there, and how did that help in, you know, getting the best outcome possible in GS?
To be very honest, I joined the Write Smart course. That time we had was exactly after prelims. It started. So we had those 3 months ka time. So I understood that I was not having enough time to go for live answer writing, because speed was not an issue for me. I could complete paper on time. Handwriting was not an issue. So I went for approaches where I could just basically make my answers look more presentable. So from Write Smart, first thing I understood how to analyze the previous year questions. Like I remember there was a like topic safe self-help group. You were just showing us dimensions. Ye previous year questions mein hai. Prepare all of this, and these are some new dimensions that can be asked by UPSC. So that from previous year question, theme selection and generating new dimensions. Second thing, there were so many approaches you talked about, but one which I followed in last year also and this year also was GS paper based approach, where you talked about like if you are talking, go for any answer, start analyzing the dimensions GS paper wise. History का कोई dimension आएगा क्या? Geography, society, polity, IR. तो इस तरीके से I used to scan, and I was able to generate say 8 to 10 points based on that only. So I think this was one thing which helped me make my answers look much multidimensional and like more balanced, I could say.
So like you had not prepared for mains before prelims a lot, right? Is that the case?
Yes, truly it was, because since when you are not able to clear prelims in multiple attempts, I think कुछ attempt के बाद focus आपका solely prelims हो जाता है, that let me get through this once, and that's when I'll work on my mains. And I think that is what I suffered last year, क्योंकि फिर optional was not properly prepared, and I suffered a setback there.
And how did you use Write Smart, for example, or otherwise try to link things across papers? जैसे GS1 की चीज GS3 में लिखनी है.
हाँ, दो तीन चीजें थी, like previous year questions का analysis, then how to generate dimensions, and then how to create interlinkages between the papers. These were 3 things that I can just like summarize from the Write Smart course.
Right. I'll come to GS3 now.
Yes.
So to be like, again, for the interest of transparency, Shakti was my student in 2023.
Yes.
Just before I had gone to Labasana, I was teaching GS3.
Yes.
So what was your experience there, and you know, how did that help in getting this?
GS3 ka notes I referred to because last year only I prepared holistically, and since I was into the cycle, again prelims, mains, interview, and again prelims and mains, there was not much time to upgrade. So I followed that structure which you gave. Just ye tha ki syllabus wise you provided us the those mind maps, how it has to be created. But this year what I did was, one thing I inculcated was perspective from economic survey and budget, that I have used, because this year economic survey and budget was out in July, month of July, and that was also one of the reason that we had that new data everywhere which could be used effectively across the GS papers. So the data information static I went on with this. This year I added on from the current affairs, picking up schemes, picking up data, you know, whatever government initiatives have been there, all of that.
So a static base, which is
With
like
a-
good enough, but of course you need
because
current
you
affairs update,
means is all about current affairs. अगर Chandrayaan 3 launch हुआ है, Chandrayaan 3 they will ask. It's that it is that obvious. ठीक है, president का election हुआ, president पे MCQ will be there in your prelims. That is like that simple. अगर आप UPSC को थोड़ा current से link करने की कोशिश करो, you will realize कि themes of the current are and asked from the static. This is how UPSC functions in prelims. In mains, direct like these current affairs based questions are there. So I picked up the static, like the roadmap, or I can say something, and just value addition from the current.
Right. Wonderful. So guys, our head of mentorship here is Sajal sir, who has also been her chief mentor in this year's means. So I'd just like to welcome Sajal sir now and carry on the discussion forward. Sajal sir, please.
So first of all, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
And literally 6 years back when I started mentorship wale programs and all, one-to-one mentorship wala thing, I'd always thought कि यार हर बार 10 से 20 के बीच बहुत लोग आ रहे हैं, but single digit में नहीं आ रहा है और rank में तो बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा है. So the moment I saw the result, literally 5 minutes तक तो सांस नहीं आ रही थी, because the reason being I thought सही में शक्ति है, सही में शक्ति है, because it was literally because 3 दिन पहले I think जब हमारी बात हो रही थी तो you were talking about IFS की, IFS का भी इस बार मैंने भरा है, एक ही अटेम्प्ट बचा है and everything. So पहली चीज तो मैं ये पूछूंगा कि were you expecting this?
Rank, no. Name in the list, I was praying for that. It is that simple to define it.
No, in fact when you came after mains and you
Yeah.
said sir कुछ काम करना है mentor and everything, I said कि यार तुम्हारी रैंक आ रही है इस बार, क्यों काम कर रहे हो? तो नहीं तब भी होना चाहिए. So that's what you have also talked about,
Yes,
the plan
sir.
B
Plan
वाला
B,
thing.
yes, sir.
So it's very important that I was very sure after the mains कि भाई she will be getting a good rank, but she always said कि अगर 1% चांस नहीं हुआ,
Yes, sir.
so in that case what to do?
Yes.
Right. So I think this is something which is really great. तो first चीज तो मैं ये बोलूँगा कि how was your experience with me?
A totally new perspective to answer writing is something I'll say, because answer writing I did in my previous attempt as well, and that was also like good enough because I scored decent scores. I had decent scores in GS, but then we talk about that standing out. Maybe that's what is the reason for ranks. We have different ranks because standing out, because it means there is a scope of even half marks difference that could change ranks by so many digits. So this year when I came to you with my answers and you told me कि आप बहुत पुराने examples लिख रहे हो, मियावाकी method अभी कौन लिखता है शक्ति. So I was like, okay. So that first learning was to replace all those old datas and old current affairs wale examples with new ones. Second thing, you gave me a perspective of how to introduce an answer. And since I'm also a mentor now, so I tell students this thing only, that try inculcating the current affairs perspective in every, possible, even in the static subjects. Like I'll tell you, वो history वाला जो question था, and I wrote an answer on Mauryan Empire mentioning 6th century BC or something. You're like, date लिख के कौन introduce करता है? Bring something new. And you gave me an example how we could inculcate that idea of modern Mauryan Empire, जो अभी नया उनका lion pillar capital was inaugurated. So I understood this assignment, और उसके बाद be it history, be it geography, static subjects हो, world history हो, even if it has little bit relevance with the current, I always started my answers with that. Maybe that really worked because फिर वो
नहीं, मुझे एक याद है कि I once we were having this discussion and I saw that तुम keywords नहीं देख रही हो सही से, and then you had picked me कि वो keywords वाला lecture कौन सा and everything.
yeah, I remember.
So I think वो keywords,
yes, those tail words that we have, elucidate or elaborate, explain, discuss critically. I used to get confused and I used to keep that simple broad framework कि ऐसे चलेंगे, but sir was like, no, those keywords are the one that decide the course of your answer, so you have to be very clear with that. And I was the one looking for those tail words, I think 20 days before my mains, and I made notes out of it.
19th or 20th August, I was just checking the chats. So it was like कि सर वो tailwords वाला document भेजो, उसमें I think I had discussed some 24
tailwords and how you could go through that.
Yes,
so yeah, that was, I think this is how my this year I think mains improved, because definitely last year से कुछ तो improvement रहा होगा, because from not being in the list to being rank 1, I think it was
I think एक चीज और थी कि 3 years you failed in prelims. बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो छोड़ देते हैं.
Yes, sir.
लेकिन you continued, and that's something which is very like what kept you motivated? 3 attempt के बाद, like 4th attempt तो ठीक है, you reached interview and everything, you were like very close. 3rd attempt के बाद, what was there in your mind?
I think one thing that I was very clear was कि ये करना तो है. चाहे मुझे 6 अटेम्प्ट लग जाए, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. एंड आई थिंक दिस कैन बी टॉक्सिक फॉर सम ऑफ यू एंड आई वुड नॉट सजेस्ट एनीवन टू गो फॉर दिस मैडनेस कि करना ही है चाहे 10 अटेम्प्ट लग जाए. नहीं होता. यू हैव वेरी लिमिटेड लाइफ स्पैन. आई नो दैट वॉट I have gone through in these 5-6 years. I know the things that I have sacrificed and I would never like anybody to be in that position. So parents का भी you know that every time that PDF comes and they have that hope कि होगा. But I think वो parents ही थे who said that if you want to do it, अगर आपका सपना है, आपको करना है, then we are standing, किसी चीज़ की टेंशन नहीं लेनी, just keep doing. तो ये constant motivation रहा कि parents का तो support है. And when I used to like look for my mistakes, मुझे लगा ये चीज़ें ऐसी थी जिस पे काम की जा सकती हैं. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है that I'm just failing like very badly. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं अगर if I get them right, I can maybe get through. और prelims के लिए तो I have like 3 attempts का पूरा experience है मुझे, and then I worked to clear the prelims back to back in 2 attempts. So I think कुछ तो था that I changed, and I'll let you know also obviously कि जो चीजें मैंने change की and how it worked for me.
And I think your father would be the happiest person in the world. He was also part of the bureaucracy.
Yes,
So
sir.
he was in the police.
Yes, sir.
Which
Yes, sir.
Which rank he was?
So he's a sub inspector.
Okay.
Yeah.
So like he must have been really. So उनका क्या reaction जब आया result? So what did he say? Did he say कि fake तो नहीं है क्या?
Actually this was my dad's dream only. पापा का ही सपना था because he has been in touch with these administrative officers, been with police officers, etc. So IPS and all. So he always had that dream to see us there. And ये उनका ही सपना था that we have like I materialized on, I worked upon. When he called my dad, first thing he's like मैंने कहा पापा नाम है result में, and he's like अच्छा ठीक है, so rank 1. He was not able to believe that thing. Rank 1, rank कौन बताया तुम्हें? Then I told him I checked the PDF myself and it's rank 1. And he's like कोई नहीं, बस भगवान का नाम लो because it's all God. And I do believe कि इस एग्जाम में luck एक फैक्टर है. हम एक अकाउंट करें ना करें, we have to understand. I know people who are more hardworking than me. I know people who have like put in more hours. They were even at their last attempts, but they couldn't get through. And it has nothing to do with their caliber. It is about luck at times. वो नहीं लिखी होती चीजें डेस्टिनी में, so it doesn't turns out the way we want.
I think interview का जो आपका experience था, I think that because you did not had much time.
Yes.
And I know results came out फिर तुम कह रही 1 महीने बाद interview and everything happened, right?
Yes,
so what
yes.
was your experience of interview? Like how did you prepare for interview?
I think this is the least talk about thing that people do not account the variation across boards that you have to be prepared for, which is not in your hands at all. ठीक है? I will not say ये board अच्छा है, वो board अच्छा है, nothing. But at times there is a perspective ऐसा होता है कि होता है, थोड़े difference हो जाते हैं boards के across. But that is also a bit of luck कि आपको कौन सा board मिल रहा है क्या नहीं. But interview की preparation that I understood, एक तो DAF that we discussed बहुत अच्छे से thoroughly. Then we had those current affairs session जिसमें because PSIR was my optional, we went on talking about all those India neighborhood relations. And also because I had that keyword in my DAF, in that I conducted I led a conference on that. So I think ये दो चीजें थी, current affairs, DAF, and then opinion based questions that I encountered in this year's interview. Last year my interview went more on a factual side, but this year I had a proper conversation on all the aspects starting from my DAF, my hometown, till hobbies, till PSIR, everything was properly covered there. So we had a discussion on that.